Why does my 5-finger forehead look even more 5-fingerish than usual? I don't know. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Neo of AhhhSoNeo saying hello. Another quick unboxing today from the one and only Louis Vuitton. If you'd like to see the little piece I picked up this time around, stick around. I'd love for you to keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a true unboxing. I have not opened this. I've actually had it sitting in my closet for a couple weeks because I was waiting to do an unboxing, and then I just got so busy and just never got around to opening it. So I'm like doing it now because I want to see. So guys, if you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. You're the real MVP. I really appreciate the support, especially considering my rather sporadic posting schedule. I'm trying to get there, but it is what it is. If you're new, hello. I hope you like high-end stuff, whether it's makeup, whether it's project pants, whether it's shoes. It's a little bit of everything on this channel. It's this little smorgasbord of everything, and I always appreciate the support. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Hit the like button. Share the video. Why not? And I'll try to put a picture in here somewhere, but I am like the Bandeau queen. I love Louis Vuitton Bandeaus. I've been collecting them since the mid-2000s, and you know, they've become like currency. I don't know if you guys have noticed that, but sometimes I will sell some, but I still have my original pieces that, you know, my ride or dies I'll never get rid of. Again, I'll try to stick a picture over here. But I really hadn't been feeling the love. So I used to buy a lot of Louis Vuitton, but once I lost my essays and I'm trying to find a new essay, and it's a long story, I just don't buy as much as I used to. And just quite frankly, a lot of the new things lately have not inspired me at all. But the Bandeaus is where I still will look, dabble, see what's out there. And when I saw this one, I was like, okay, we're going to play the game. We're going to play the game. I hate playing the game, but I was willing to play the game this time around. So I feel like I got really, really lucky. I didn't see this the day it came out on the website. I kept hitting refresh, hitting refresh, hitting refresh, nothing. And it took a couple weeks, and I guess I must have hit refresh at the right time because all of a sudden it was available. And this is, oh yeah, the Monogram Marbles Classic Bandeau. You guys know the packaging. You know how pretty it is. You know the little saffron boxes that we all love to receive. Actually, I think this was one of my birthday presents to myself. Sometimes we just have to do that. So let's see if this is as good as I remember. The little tag came flying out. It is. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous. Here, let me come in closer for you guys. And then on the other side, it is black and white. And since I'm a huge fan of the black and white print, it's just perfect. I have an LV confidential bandeau in the black and white. So this kind of, I feel like, kind of goes with that, but is a little less obvious. I love the bubbles. Look at the bubbles. Marbles, I guess they're called. Real pretty. Oh, great. I love it. Oh, excellent. Well, definitely real happy to be able to add this one to my little Bandeau collection. Look, it's so wide and fat. It's really good. Good size there. Totally happy. Let's put this all over. Now, I'm always trying to like tie them in a fancy way, and of course who knows what I come up with. Ooh, bubbles. Ah, what do you guys think? It's cute. Real cute. I like it. Alright guys, well, thank you so much for joining me. A really quick video. A little Bandeau unboxing. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. So glad I picked it up. Yeah, so if you would like to see my Bandeau collection video, this one obviously is not included since I just opened it. But I could do an updated Bandeau video. I've sold some, I think. Yeah, if you'd like to see that, go ahead, hit the like button or leave me a comment, and I will try to, you know, put it down on the list of ideas, because I do have a list of videos I plan on video on taping. So yeah, that one would be a good one, right? I think so too. So guys, thanks so much. Hope you've been well. Remember, like I like to say, well, I don't know if you can see that, it says live happy. That came from my sister. But choose happiness. It's a choice. It's a choice you get to make every day. Make the right choice for you, and be happy. Cheers, a little Bellini. Cheers.